Welcome to this guided meditation on grasping and letting go for focus, calm, and equanimity. Start by taking a comfortable position, sitting on a cushion or the floor. You can lie down, providing you can remain alert and not fall asleep. Sit with a tall spine and rest your hands on your thighs or in your lap. If you're lying down, rest your hands by your sides with palms facing up. Starting with your eyes open and a gentle gaze, looking ahead, take a deep breath in. And now release the breath. Take another deep breath in. And this time releasing the breath and allowing the eyes to close. Allow your breath to settle into a natural rhythm without trying to control it in any way. Know that the breath doesn't require any conscious control. Simply allow the breath to flow in and out freely by itself for a few moments. And now bringing your attention to your body. Scanning your awareness briefly down the body from head to toe. And just noticing any current sensations, thoughts or feelings that stand out. Building up an idea of how you feel right in this moment. Checking in with where you're starting this practice from. And if you feel any tension, allow it to soften with each breath. Knowing there is nothing else to do, nowhere else to be. Just here with the breath in the present moment. And again, allowing your attention to settle on the flow of the breath. Anchoring your attention to the area where you notice the sensation of the breath most strongly. This may be at the tip of the nose or on the upper lip, where you may feel a change in temperature as the air flows in and out. It may be in the abdomen or in the chest as the body moves with each breath. Wherever you feel it most strongly, rest your focus here for a few moments and follow each breath all the way from the beginning of inspiration all the way through to the end of expiration. Seeing each new breath with a fresh perspective, as if it were your first breath ever. And just noticing where the attention is now. It will wander off from time to time, off into distraction, and this is totally normal. In fact, it's the process of noticing that the mind has been distracted and bringing the focus back to the anchor of the breath that develops in us more present state awareness and focus. If you find the mind has been distracted, note this without judgment. make a mental label of the distraction. For example, say thought, or itching, or feeling to yourself, and let the distraction pass by, bringing your attention back to the breath, following each breath through its full cycle, noting each new breath in its entirety. And noticing again now where the mind is. Often distraction comes in the form of thoughts about the past or future. Thinking about what you should have done in a certain situation. Worries about things that haven't happened. Avoid actively searching out these feelings or thoughts. But if they come up, just notice them. See if they trigger particular feelings or emotions in you. If so, try to avoid getting led down reflexive pathways of thinking or feeling by these triggers. Instead, imagine yourself sitting on a hill by a busy road. The cars are your thoughts, and ideally we want to let them pass by without rushing into the road and getting in trouble. We remain sitting and watching calmly on the hill, letting each thought pass by, and returning to the flow of each new breath over and over. Now allowing your mind to relax and take a moment to do whatever your mind wants to do. We have a natural tendency to want, yearn, and grasp for things. It's important to develop the ability, and we do this through our meditation practice, to be aware of where our mind is and whether we're grasping. The aim is not to ignore all grasping and want, because we need some drive this way, but we want to be aware and mindful and have the ability to choose when we get involved. When we act, it's considered and mindful, not a mindless reflex. And as we come to the end of this meditation, just bringing your awareness back to the room, being aware of the space and the sounds around you. Slowly start to bring some movement into your hands and feet. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thanks for joining us today. See if you can notice grasping and practice letting it go as you go through the rest of your day.